How to pin contacts on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can pin contacts on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to pin contacts on your iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, if you open the Recents or the Contacts application over here, so let me go ahead and open the Contacts app. You can't really pin contacts, but what you can do is you can actually add them to your favorites. So when you go to the All Contacts section, or maybe you open the phone app here, you can come to the favorites tab in this case in order to add them to your favorites, so you can access them easily. But if you come to contacts tab and you want to pin them at the top, you can't do that. But what you can do is you can search for a particular contact here, and if you'd like to mark this as your favorite contact, you can just scroll down here. You'll find all these sorts of options. You'll find add to favorites option here. Tap on add to favorites, and then once you've done that, you can tap on the call or message or whatever else you prefer, and then you will be able to add them to your favorites whenever you come to your favorites next time. This way you should be able to go ahead and basically pin contacts on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.